After 10 days in a British prison, Ejup Ganic is now free, but he's under court order not to leave Britain. Serbia alleges Mr. Ganic ordered the 1992 ambush of an army convoy of the former Yugoslavia as it retreated from Sarajevo. Serbia claims more than 40 troops died. Lawyers for Mr. Ganic say the charges are politically motivated and illegal. In 2003, the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia concluded there was not enough evidence to charge Mr. Ganic. Stephen Gentle is one of Mr. Ganic's attorneys.
The Serbian authorities sent through a certain amount of material, a short letter, explaining that there had been investigations since 2003, but obviously not giving any further information. And it seems that on that basis the court decided that there was really insufficient grounds at this stage to keep Dr. Ganic in custody.
Oh, criminal! Criminal Ganic!
Bosnian authorities have said they are investigating the incident and that under international law, Bosnia is entitled to process its citizens accused of war crimes. Serbian immigrant Glasse says that won't work.
If they are given the chance to try him, they will free him because he is one of them.
The war in Bosnia-Herzegovina lasted from 1992 to 1995. Former Bosnian Serb wartime leader Radovan Karadzic is now on trial at The Hague on war crimes charges, and Mr. Ganic's lawyers say Serbia's request for his detention is timed to coincide with Karadzic's trial. Bosnian President Ejup said in London that Serbia's effort to extradite Mr. Ganic has damaged the relationship between the two countries.
We would like to have normal neighborly relations with Serbia, but they continue to provoke Bosnia and Herzegovina, as I said, minimize their role, rehabilitate the perpetrators and demonize the victims, rewrite history, revise recent history.
Serbia's ambassador to London, Dejan Popovic, dismisses charges his nation is rewriting history and says Belgrade's court could still make a case against Mr. Ganic.
The very fact that in a certain stage a certain case was considered by the Hague Tribunal doesn't necessarily mean that it is over for good.
The Serbs have not produced new evidence against Mr. Ganic. His lawyers say they will seek to have the case dismissed at the next hearing, March 25th. Jennifer Glasse for VOA News, London.